Hello everyone, now I am going to explain measurement of resistance and inductance of a choke coil using 3 voltmeter method. For this experiment we need a single phase auto transformer, or it's also called as variac. It is used to get the different voltages. Its range is 0 to 300 volts and 5 amps and 3 voltmeters. 0 to 300 volt AC, then resistor 220 ohms resistor and choke coil. Now see the circuit. Here it is input for the auto transformer, and the auto transformer output is connected to a resistor first end, and resistor another end is connected to first end of the choke coil. Choke coil another end is connected to auto transformer's neutral point. So then voltmeter across auto transformer to check the supply voltage, and across resistor to check the voltage drop across resistor, and across choke coil to check the voltage drop across choke coil. Now we can make the circuit. From auto transformer output to first end of the resistor. So auto transformer output is here, phase, then it is connected to first end of the resistor, then resistor's another end is connected to choke coil's first end. So resistor another end and choke coil's first end, then choke coil another end is connected to directly neutral of the auto transformer. So see here, this one is choke coil's another end and it is connected to auto transformer's another end, means neutral. After that we need to connect voltmeters. So voltmeter across auto transformer from phase to here, and from neutral to here. Same way across resistor, voltmeter always connected in parallel. So first end of the resistor is connected to voltmeter first end, and second end of the resistor is connected to another end of the voltmeter. Then finally choke coil's first end connected here, another end of the choke coil is connected here only. So the circuit is completed. After that see the procedure. Circuit connections made. Before switching on the supply, the auto transformer should be in 0 position. Okay, then switch on the supply. Okay, now this voltmeter is supply voltage, it shows supply voltage, and this one is RL, means voltage drop across resistor, voltage drop across choke coil. So now you set the voltage, vary the auto transformer till 60, then note down the values. Supply voltage is Vs is 60, then VR means voltage drop across resistor 22, VL means voltage drop across in the coil, choke coil 50. Same way repeat the procedure for 120. Now Vs is 120, VR is 44, 120, VR is 44 and VL is 102. 102. So same way repeat the procedure till 230 volt, maximum 230 volts. Then reduce the voltage to 0. You have to check here only, not here. Check the voltmeter. After that, switch off the MCB, switch off the switch, then remove the circuit.